Okay, so you're wondering how to check your balance on your Regions Now card. Well, I'm here to help. Before we get started, let's talk about what the Regions Now card is. It's a prepaid debit card that you can use to make purchases and withdraw cash. It's a great option for people who don't have a traditional bank account or who want to keep track of their spending. Now that we know what the Regions Now card is, let's get to the question of how to check your balance. There are a few different ways to do this. Method 1. Online banking. This is the easiest and most convenient way to check your balance. Simply log into your Regions online banking account and you'll see your balance right there on the dashboard. Method 2. Mobile app. If you don't have access to a computer, you can use the Regions mobile app to check your balance. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Method 3. Phone call. You can also check your balance by calling the Regions Now card customer service number. Method 4. ATM. You can check your balance at any ATM that accepts Visa cards. Just insert your card and select the check balance option. Once you've checked your balance, you can see how much money you have available to spend. This is important because you don't want to overspend and end up with a negative balance. Here are some additional tips for checking your balance. Check your balance regularly. This will help you stay on top of your finances. Check your balance before making a purchase. This will help you avoid overspending. Keep track of your transactions. This will help you identify any unauthorized charges. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and be well.